Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to be talking about a baggage door hold open spring. That's nothing more than a screen door spring, and the chain goes through the center of the spring, and magically, when the door gets open, it will pop the door open, the spring will expand and will hold the door open, but you can push it to close it. So stay tuned while we talk just a little bit more about this.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
And again, there's nothing complicated about that screen door spring, available at your hardware store. And AGAC started doing this, and Tiger did this in some of the Tigers. It's a very nice feature, so when you open your baggage door, it will stay open, won't be flopping around in the breeze. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found this information useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.